Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready, headset powered, Wi-Fi connected, and a password idea in mind. Put on your headset and open the system settings or built-in browser to begin. Select Accounts or Sign In, then choose Create Account so you can follow VR prompts tailored to headset input. Use a unique password and a recovery phone or email that protects access later. Once done, move to the next screen to enter name, birth date, and preferred email handle. Make sure to use a recognizable display name. Now you'll input personal details using the VR keyboard, name, birth date, and the Gmail handle you want. Pause between entries to avoid typos. VR input can be slower. Next, create a strong password, mix letters, numbers, and symbols, and accept any two-step verification prompts for added safety. When the system asks, confirm a phone number or recovery email so you can recover access. Once the verification code arrives, enter it carefully in VR and proceed to privacy and sync settings. Finish by reviewing privacy choices and sync options. These control what data syncs between VR and other devices. Accept the terms to finalize account creation, then install or sign into VR apps using the new Google account. If something goes wrong, stop and check Wi-Fi first. Unstable connections often block account creation. Also, make sure you type the password correctly and that the verification code reach the recovery contact. If not, request a new code and retry the flow once connectivity is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.